So I don't know if he'll come. So he didn't pick up.
Yeah, just if you have that his number, just call him once if he's available or not. Then we'll start.
Yes. So he's not picking up. Sir.
Okay, so he's not picking up the phone.
Yes, sir. He's not
Let's
picking
start
up.
with here only. Last time, what we did?
So we were doing
We
algebra with this on the.
equating the coefficients. We did na.
So we finished equating the coefficient. We have to do cross multiplication.
We have to do cross multiplication. Okay. See. If we like, I need to show you some variables here. If we have some equation like this, we have to see cross multiplication. See cross multiplication. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we have an equation like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and we have another equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, right? We have two equations. Okay, a1x b1y
Yes.
c1 is equals to 0, a2x b2y c2 is equals to 0. Then we need to find the value of x, y, yeah, x and y basically. Two variables are there, two equations have been given, and we need to find x and y. So what we have to be here is that you have to see, this is the cross multiplication equation. So if you're taking x, okay, if you are taking x, just put your hand on x and you don't have to see that x part. You just have to see these two variables. Okay, I'll write it in a separate way, then you'll understand more.
Yes.
Okay, so variables are a1 a2, b1 b2, and c1 c2, right?
What about the y?
So if you're
Y
considering
also you have.
if you're considering x, if x
Oh,
is there in the numerator, so it will be b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. That should be equals to, if you're considering y in the numerator, you have to write a1 by a2 and then c1 by c2. Okay, and then
for x, why not a1 plus a2 and y for y?
y it will be a1 by a2. So if y you are taking, you don't have to take that the coefficients are which are there with y.
Oh,
Okay, if x you are taking, you don't have to take the coefficients which are there with x. And at the end, if you're taking 1, you have to consider a1 by a2 and then b1 by b2. Okay, so what is this? You must be like asking yourself, or you must be wanting to ask me that, sir, what is this? How we have to proceed with this? So that's what I'm telling you. Now what you have to do, you have to cross multiply here. This with this and this with this. You have to cross multiply this with this and this with this, and then you have to cross multiply this with this and this with this. Okay,
Yes.
got it? Then what will it be? Then what will it be? Can I
X
write it
by
like? Can I write it
B1
like? See here.
C2.
Yeah, b1 c2 minus
Yes.
c1 b2
Oh, minus
is equals to y by a1 c2
A1 C2
and minus
minus
c1
A2
a2
C
is equals to 1 by a1 b2 and a2
B1.
b1. You have to put a minus sign in between always. Okay. So now see here, what the thing is that you must be knowing these variable, these coefficients that are there and the constant term, isn't
Yes.
it? So in this particular equation, there will be x only, and this particular equation, nothing will be there. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Agree? So if you equate, see, all three are equatable. All three, you can equate this with this, 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 like that. All three are equatable. So if you equate this one with this, so will you be getting x?
Yes, sir.
And if you equate this y with this, you will be getting y.
Yes. But if I
Okay.
equate Y with X, I won't get X. Or
You won't be getting
all
anything.
X.
Yeah, you won't be getting anything. That will be quite difficult because you just get y in terms of x. That will be there. See, you have understood 50% till what I can make it. I'll show you one example and then you'll understand it everything. Okay. So we have an equation 2x plus 3y minus 17 is equals to 0, and then 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equals to 0. These two equations we have got, right? Then what we have to do, we have to find through cross multiplication. So what I told you, you have to find this x, you have to write, and then what you have to do, you have to multiply you have to write other coefficients. What are the other coefficients? You have to leave,
2
if you're
by
taking x, you
2,
have to leave
3.
the coefficient of x. The 3
Yes.
minus 2 you have
Oh,
to write now,
3 and
because if
2,
you're considering, you have to leave the coefficients of x,
17,
right?
6.
Minus
Minus
17
17
minus
minus
6. You have to consider signs also. Consider signs also, very important. Then you have to equate it with y. Now, if you're considering y, you have to leave the coefficients
2,
of y.
3, and then minus 17 minus 6.
Yeah, very good.
3.
I mistakenly wrote 3.
Okay. And 1 is equal
Okay.
to 1 by uh,
Minus
2,
17
3,
minus 6. Then it will be 1 by
2,
2, 3,
3,
3 minus 2, right?
plus 3 minus 2.
Then what you have to do, you have to cross multiply this, and this. So it will be x upon 3 times minus
Minus
6. You have to put a minus
15.
sign, then minus 17 times minus 2.
Yes.
That will be equals to y 2 times minus 6 minus 17 times 3,
17 minus 3.
1 by 2
2
times
times
minus
minus
2,
2, 3 times 3.
right? So it will be x by minus 18,
Minus
then
18.
minus minus plus, plus minus minus. It will be minus 34. See here if I'm wrong.
Yes.
It will be y by minus 12
Yes.
and minus plus minus plus minus and minus, it will be plus
Plus 34.
51.
51? Oh, it's 3, I thought.
70 times 3. Then it will be 1 by minus 4 and minus 9.
Minus
Agree?
4. Minus 4? Isn't minus? Okay, okay. It's okay.
Okay. So it
Yes.
will be x by minus 52 is equals to y by plus
Plus
49,
no,
39.
39.
It will be 1 by minus 13. Agree?
Minus 13. Yes, sir.
Now, let us say, okay, I'm moving to the next page. X by minus 52 equals to y by minus 39 is equals to 1 by 13, right?
Yes.
It is plus 39 minus 13, right?
So now also you can cross multiply it. Say x multiplied
No.
by 39.
See, now this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. See, if I equating 1 with 3, because all 3 are equal, so I can equate any 2 of them. X upon
Yes.
minus 52 is equals to 1 by minus 13. x will be equals to what? Minus 52 upon minus 13. 13 for the 52, x is 4. And if I equate 2 with 3, it will be y upon plus 39 is equals to 1 upon minus 13.
Y is equal to 39 by
Some
minus
mistake is
13.
there. It will be minus only. Yeah, sorry, it is minus only. It's not plus. It's minus 51 only.
That means it will be 51 plus 12.
Okay, see, we have to write this first. This is our
63.
mistake. This is our mistake.
Which one?
I'll tell you. To write C first. Minus 17 minus 6, and then we have to write 2 comma 3. Yeah,
It's the same. Oh,
that's the mistake. I'll tell you how it is to be written. There's a mistake here also. I'll tell you how it is to be written. C1, C2, and then A1, A2. See, first you are stating with x. Okay, if you're starting with x, so you have to start with the next coefficient, that is b. B and c you have to take. Now you're starting with y, so you have to start with the next coefficient, c, and then back to a. C and a. Are you getting it?
yes. Yes.
Starting with c, the constant term, then you have to take a and b. The further two coefficients you have to take. Got it?
Yes.
Whatever is you're at x, you'll take b and c, b and c. Your y will take the further two, c, and then back to a. You are at z, this constant term, you have to take the further two, a and b. Like this you have to take.
Yes.
And then cross multiply it. So there will be the difference here. So it will be quite different, just that minus sign will be different there. Yeah. So it will be minus 17 times 3 minus 2 into minus 6. Okay. So it will be minus 51 plus 12. So it will be minus 39. That will be there. Okay. So it will be minus 39. So y is equals to minus 39 by minus 13. That will give you the value of, 3. That will be giving you the value of 3.
Yes.
Okay. So did you understand it now?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it? What you have to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am explaining it once again. So if you are given with two equations, so what you have to do, you have to consider two variables x and y, and then the constant term 1. Okay. If you're considering x, you have to consider the further two coefficients. If you're considering x, you have to consider the coefficients of y and the constant term. That's what you have written. If you're considering y, you have to consider the further two coefficients, that is the constant term and the value of a. Okay, got it? And you are considering the constant term, that is the 1. You have to consider the x and the y. So further two you have to take, and then cross multiply and then equate 1 with 3 and then 2 with 3. You'll be getting this. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you question. Okay, write it down
I'll
fast.
just copy.
First write this. First write this. Then you write that.
Yes. Yes, sir. Finished.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just solve this one, and then I'll be giving you one question. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more page is there, I guess. Yeah, this
I
one.
finished this up, so I did the enters.
So you did this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So let me give you one question then. Um, in that case, you write one question.
Yes, sir.
Question is, I'll tell you. Uh, 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 mm, which one I did? X plus 3y1 na. You solve this. 3x plus y is equals to 13 and x minus 3y plus 9 is equals to 0. Let's try to solve this.
Yes, sir.
Try to be exact and Correct. Okay. Don't do silly
Yes.
mistakes.
Hey, 1 second, can you go to the last page?
Yeah, sure.
The before page.
Come
Okay, so you can go back to the question.
on. Okay.
So for this, when I write the C value, for the first one, instead of writing nothing, I can write 1, right?
No. See here. You have to create in that form. What I did, the form one a1x was plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So you have to write this in this form. Both of the equations are not present in this form. So first you make that in that form, then you compare with the a, b, and c values. Not get. See here. Here is this equation. Is this in the form? Is
Yes.
this equation in this form? No. The c should be on the left hand side. It should be
Yes, sir.
3x plus y minus
Plus
13 is equals to
minus
0,
30.
and x minus 3y plus 9 is equals to 0. Now you have got everything, a, b, and c. Now you can complete this.
Okay.
Understood? You
Yes,
have
sir.
to first make it into that form, then you have to solve this. They're doing it.
Yes, I'm doing it.
Okay, solve it down.
So 1 second, can you go to the last page?
Pardon?
So can you go to the last page 1 second, sir?
This one.
Uh, oh, okay. Now I get it. So I got x as 3 and y as -4. So
X as 3 and y as -4. Let me check. No, no.
neither of them is correct. So
Yeah, X is correct. X is correct. Y's value is not correct. If you can check, just check it once. What have we done here? Did not it take the C part first and then the B part here?
oh
Like the
yeah,
constant
yeah.
term.
Oh yes, sir. I did the
I
same
told you
mistake.
na to take the forward two, the next two.
Yes. So now I think I got the answer. Yes, I got answer as 4. Y is equal to 4.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. I would like you to do one more question then.
Yes.
Before that's correct. You have to solve 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 and 6x minus 5y is equals to 4. Try to solve this.
Yes. So only for y you have to put the c value first, right? So
First, you have to arrange in that order: a1b plus
I arranged it.
a1x plus
I
b1.
arranged it.
In both the cases, you arrange and then see what you have to do. What you have to do. See,
Oh,
like if you're considering x, you have to consider the coefficients of this and this. If you're considering y, you have to consider the next two coefficients. So next two coefficients are this constant term, and after that you have to return back to a. So this and this. Understood?
yes, sir.
You have to consider the next two coefficients. Whatever is coming the next two coefficients that you have to consider.
Yes. So I'm getting both the answers as fractions.
Fractions. Not both of them are fractions. What is the value of x you're getting?
9 by minus 4.
9 by minus 4. No, that's wrong, I guess.
Y I got 4 by 3.
No, no, that is wrong. Calculation mistake. Do it again.
Yes,
Do it again, and then I'll do.
yes. When I multiply 6, I mean a number and I'm getting negative, I have to subtract both. When I subtract both, it will be negative 30x. So it will be positive x.
No, the minus plus difference is not there. See here. Uh, what did he get? X by how much did he get?
Sir, x as how much? I got 9 by negative 2.
Uh, you got this equation, na? So what
Yes,
was
sir.
there in the denominator of x?
18.
18. No, that's the wrong. You have to, yeah, you have to like, no, 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 just a minute, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute.
Yes,
X by 18 you got.
sir.
No, 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 it's wrong. It should not be 18. Should
So
not
when
be 18.
I cross
It
multiplied,
is
I got
x by
negative.
3 minus 5 minus 6 and minus 4. Do you agree with it?
So it's minus 5. Oh my god, I okay. Because I did it wrong, so I'll do it. So.
Mistake? Do it again.
Yes, I add a mistake. So I got x as 3 by 2 and the y as
Yeah, that's
1.
correct. That's correct. Y yes?
1.
Okay, that's correct. Perfect. Y is 1 is perfect. Okay?
Yes.
It won't be here. It is. So x is equals to 3 by 2. That can be written as 1 by 2. And then y can be written as 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. So these three methods are over to solve any question, right?
Yes, sir.
So now we'll be like solving some typical questions from the simultaneous linear equation. That will be some mix of this. I won't be specifying the process that you have to use, but you have to solve this. Okay, like we have one question: 7 by x plus 8 by y is equals to 2, and then another equation is 2 by x plus 13 by y is equals to 22. Okay, so we have a question like this. Now it is, see, this is a question, linear equation in two variables, but this is quite different of what we have solved because it is in denominator, right?
Yes, sir.
Agree? Agree with it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how to solve this? How to solve this? So what you have to do, we'll be going with equating the coefficients. Equating the, let us say this is 1 and this is 2. So on equating the coefficients, in order to equate, if I want to equate coefficient of x, then how will I do that?
7. No, wait. 8 minus 2. 8,
Multiplying
1.
1 by what? 2.
Oh, okay, okay.
2 by what? 7.
1, 7.
7 na. So 1 if I multiply
Yes.
with 2, it will be getting 14 upon x, and if I multiply with the 7, it will be 14 upon x, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it will be 14 upon x plus 16 upon y is equals to 4, and then we have 14 upon x plus 7 for 91 upon y is equals to 154. Agree?
Oh, yes. No, okay.
Okay. Now if we subtract both of them, in that case what will happen? The sign will change. Here it is plus, plus with minus
Yes.
is minus, plus with minus is minus, and plus with minus is minus. So all of them gets
Yes.
minus, so it will be cancelled out. So here it will be 16 by y minus 91 by y is equals to minus 150.
Yes.
Since the denominator here is same, so you can add and subtract the top thing. So it will be 91 minus 16,
Yes.
75 minus 75 upon y is equals to minus 150. So y will be what? Minus 75 divided by minus 150, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And if you put y 1 by 2 in any of the case, you'll be getting x as again 1 by 2.
Y.
X you'll be getting again 1
Yes.
by 2. That is the answer. So do you understand this?
Yes.
So what now you have to do now? You have to solve various questions. And when you solve various questions, you'll get to know that what method to apply where. Like here, if you'll be applying cross multiplication, that will be huge difficulty, isn't it, to solve that?
Yes.
Agree with it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there will be huge difficulty. So in this way you have to go. This became easier or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you write it down and then I'll be giving you more such questions. Okay, so by your side also you have to solve more questions.
Yes.
Hmm.
So I wrote this already, sir, when you were talking.
Written? Okay.
Yes.
Now you solve this question. Solve this one. Question is like 30 upon x minus y plus 44 upon x plus y is equals to 10. This is one question. Then 40 upon x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y is equals to 30. That is all this. You are mute if you're saying something.
Oh yeah, I got x plus y is equal to 10, sir.
X plus y is equals to 10. Hmm, plus y is equals to 10. No,
Is it negative 10?
little bit mistake is there.
Is it negative 10, sir?
Did you get 11 by x plus y is equals to 1?
What, sir?
11 by x plus y is equals to 1.
No, sir.
So what did you do? You multiply the first one with a number. What number did you multiply with?
I multiply the first whole equation with 3, and then, no, 4, not 4, 4.
Hmm.
And then the
Okay, and the
second
second one?
3,
Okay, that's good. So,
and then 1.
like the equation that became was what? Equation that became was what? The first equation became 120 divided by
120
x
by
minus y plus. Tell me.
176
Then,
by x plus y is equal to
hmm,
40.
good. The second one.
And then 120 by x minus y plus, or and then 165 by x plus y is equal to 39.
Hmm. Okay. So when you subtract this will get cancelled. So it will be 176 minus 165. That is 11 by x plus y. Na. This is
Oh, I
1.
thought it was.
Can it be? How can you be so silly mistake? You
Oh
do so silly
yeah.
mistake.
Oh my god. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
This is one equation you got.
Sir.
Okay. Then you have to, what you have to do, you have to now balance this one. What you
X plus
do,
y.
or what you do, see, one more thing you can do. You got the x plus y is equals to 10, sorry, 11.
Yes, sir.
You put x plus y is equals to 11 in any of the two equations. Like here you put 11, and then try to find what is x minus y. It will be like 40 by x minus y plus 55 by, instead of x plus y, you can write 11 is equals to 13. So you solve all this and you try to find what is x minus y.
Yes.
Try to find that.
Oh, okay, sir. I got x minus y is equal to 5, sir.
X minus y is equals to
5.
5. Yeah, correct. Now you solve for x and y. Now it is easy.
Yes.
Now it is easy. Now you solve for x and y.
What do I do?
Pardon, pardon.
How do I solve x? How do I find x
It
and
is
y?
easy. You can add one time, you'll get x. You can subtract one time, you'll get y directly. You can use any method now, na. Like see
I,
here, if you have x plus y is equals to 11 and x minus y is equals to 5, when you add both of them, y gets
oh,
cancelled. If you subtract, x gets cancelled, isn't it?
x is equal to 11. Wait, what?
Are you getting it or not?
If I cancel y, x will be
If
both
you just
11.
add them, if you just add them, if you add both of the equations, won't it be 2x is equals to 16?
So x is equal to 3. No, 3
8.
to 8.
If you subtract both of them, if you subtract both of them, x plus y is equals to 11, x minus y is equals to 5. It's just subtract both of them. Subtract this, subtract this, subtract.
X will get
Subtraction means change of
cancelled.
sign. It is plus here,
2y.
change to minus. This gets cancelled. It will be minus minus plus 2y is equals to plus minus minus. This is 6. So y is 3. isn't it?
Oh, yes.
Or what can you do? You can put x is equals to 8 in any of the equation. You can get y is equals to 3. Same answer will get in. Understood or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Understand it or not? Any doubt? I'll
Yes, sir.
explain
I
again.
understand.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Got it? Write it down.
Yes, sir. I wrote it. Oh, I didn't finish it yet, sir. Yes, sir. Finish, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I need at least 10 questions based on all three, each
Yes, sir.
of the three methods that we have studied, right?
10 questions each, sir.
Okay. Each of the methods, like for equating the coefficients, cross multiplication or substitution, 10, 10, 10, 30 questions I need you to solve.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Understood? Yeah.
Yes.
So now we'll be moving on to problem solvents on like simultaneous equations, problem solving skills, how to solve problems. Like if I just show you one question, the question is like, I'm given it one question. The sum of two numbers, the sum of two numbers is 12. Sum of two numbers is 12,
X plus Y is
and
equal to.
yeah, and their difference is 2. So you have to find the numbers.
Yes, sir. It's
Find the
easy.
numbers. So what you have to write? You have to write like this. Let
Just
the two numbers equals to x and y. Okay. So sum is equals to x plus y, and that should be equals to 12. Difference is equals to x minus y, and that should be equals to 2. So now you have to resolve it, and then you have to find the value of x and y, and then you have to do the first number is x and the second number is y and their respective values. Understood or not?
yes. I found the answer.
Yeah. Tell me.
So X is equal to 5 and Y is Y. Wait. No, X is not equal to 5. X is equal to uh, yeah 7. Y is equal to 5.
This is correct. This is correct.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you have to assume the variables first. Then what you have to do? Then you have to form the equation. Then you have to solve it. You have to find the correct way to solve that question. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Let me give you one more question. Hmm. So write the question. Two numbers are in the ratio. Question is, two numbers are in the ratio. Are in the ratio 4:5. If 30 is subtracted from both of them, from both of them, the ratio becomes 1/2. Okay, ratio become 1 by 2. You have to find the numbers. Write the question and start solving it.
Yes, sir. So is it 1 by 2 or is 1 is to 2, sir?
Same thing, 1 by 2 or 1 is to 2, same thing.
Okay. Say I x is equal to 5, sir.
How much did you get?
No, wait. X is not equal to 5. It's
See, the ratios are x by y is equals to 4 by 5. This is our first equation, and second
x
equation
equal
is
to 20,
x
sir.
minus
I got
30 by y minus 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. So from here we have to substitute. Can we write y as 5 by 4 times x? Can we write it like this?
Yes.
Okay, y I took it here and then I took 5 upwards and 4 downwards, 4 times x. So you have to substitute it like that. So it will be x minus 30 divided by 5 by 4 of x minus 30, that will be 1 by 2. Now can you solve for x?
Yes.
You have to
Oh,
cross
1 second.
multiply it. 2 times x minus 30 will be equals to 5 by 4 times x minus 30. So 2x minus 60 is equals to 5 by 4x minus 30. Got it?
Yes.
So it will be 2x minus 5 by 4 of x, that will be equals to 60 minus 30. So 8 minus 5, 8x minus 5x by 4 is equals to 30. 3x by 4 is equals to 30. X is equals to 30 into 4 upon 3. That is equals to 40. So we got the value of x. You can put the value of y. Y is nothing but 5 by 4 upon 40. That will be equals to 50. So did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Any doubt there?
No, sir.
Good. So write it down, and this is all for today.
Yes.
So I need you to solve questions. See, like if you don't solve questions now, you won't be getting the concepts. Even if you get concepts here in the class, so it is just for a while. You need to solve more and more questions to get more strength over your concepts. Okay, more grasping power over your concepts, and you'll be getting. You'll be just seeing the question, then you'll be solving whenever it is given to you in the exam. They get that.
Yes.
Like if we solve these questions, so in the next class we'll be solving more of the questions, and even this will be completed.
Yes. Yes, sir. Finished. Sir.
Okay, okay, then solve questions and ask doubts.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.